So magla-lunch na kami, no? At dito tayo nagpa-lunch. At merong kapper. Ayan, so nagpa-lunch na ako dito sa may Talisay. Talisay Beach. No? Ayan, so ito yung pagkain namin. Ito yung pagkain namin ngayong araw. No, kung nakita nyo. So merong hipon, manok. Yan. So, okay. Enjoy your lunch. Yes. The water is cold. This one. Cold water. Okay. Comer time.
Comer time.
Yes. Comer. Sí, guapo.
Comer.
Okay.
Very
Guapo.
good.
Yes.
Live in Facebook.
Very good
Guapo.
attended.
Yeah. Yeah, very good today.
¿Qué hay? Menú abierto,
Grill boyo and
Chicken?
chicken boyo. And grill terdo.
Cerdo.
In Spain?
Pescado.
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 So, pescado.
Pescado.
Pescado, pepino,
Pepino.
gamba.
Ambas.
Gambas, yeah. Alright, so enjoy your lunch. Okay? Eat more. No diet today. Okay, no diet. Eat more. Yes, no diet. No?
Sí. ¿Cómo se llama? Adobo.
Adobo boyo.
Adobo
Yes.
bollo.
Ayan, ang chicken kasi sa Spanish, boyo.
Adobo bollo.
Oh, adobo boyo. And adobo terdo. No? Eh,
Cerdo.
Terdo. Ayan, so yan sila.
When did you make the
Fish?
When?
In the oil. Fried fish. Why?
No, just to know.
Your allergy?
No.
Okay. But this one is good. It's a white snapper.
Necora.
Nicora. Nicora pala sa kanila.
Ya sentaron encima.
Ayan, so dito kami nagpalansyan. Ayan.
The towel? Towel. No?
No.
This is the water, right?
Water this one.
There's no beer.
Alright, thank you so much. No. Alright, thank you for watching. At maraming salamat po. Magandang tanghali sa inyo lahat.